You've heard of ShamWow. Now hear of the newest towel that's sweeping the Middle East. Literally. It's ShamWow. Every time you'll be saying wow. The most absorbent thing to come out of Iraq since Saddam's tighty whities. 2 times the absorbent. And women voted ShamWow the #1 towel. Can you believe it? Somebody let them vote. ShamWow can tackle any spill. Coca Pepsi, mango juice, martyr's blood, even crude oil. I know, right? And ShamWow can hold 20 times its weight in hummus. Are you receiving this, cameraman? But don't take it from me, listen to Amu Joe. ShamWow helps for me to remove my cologne. Wow! You can use it on spills. Cheer for the Steelers. Cover your wife. This thing holds more water than a camel, which we also sell. And ShamWow is not available in stores. And it's made in Iraq. You know Iraqis always make good stuff. ShamWow is available for 3 easy payments of 10 dinars. Order in the next 10 minutes and we'll even include a free bottle of basil seed and honey drink. Terrible. Order now.